tung 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 tung.
Assalamualaikum. Hai semua. Hi everyone. Apa khabar? In the previous lesson, we have practiced natural conversation with the verb makan. And in today's lesson, let's study some natural conversation using the verb minum. There will be 6 simple dialogues and they will be repeated 2 times. But, before we proceed, as usual, jangan lupa tolong saya. Jangan lupa tolong saya. Don't forget to help me to grow the channel by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Well, all these dialogues are between 2 persons. No explanation will be given, just pure practice. Jom mula. Dialog pertama. First dialogue. Hauslah. Samalah, saya pun dahaga. Jom minum kat mamak. Awak nak minum apa? Saya nak teh ais. Awak? Saya mestilah minum ais. What is mamak? Mama is an Indian Muslim restaurant like in this image and also another image. Here you can get so many delicious food like nasi kandar, teh tarik, roti canai and many more. Some restaurants are opened 24 hours and even offer free Wi-Fi access. Jom ulang dialog pertama. Let's repeat the first dialogue. Hauslah. Samalah, saya pun dahaga. Jom minum kat mamak. Awak nak minum apa? Saya nak teh ais. Awak? Saya mestilah minum ais. Now, let's do a role play. You will be A and I will be B. Ready? 1, 2, 3, mula. Samalah, saya pun dahaga. Awak nak minum apa? Saya mestilah minum ais. Let's change the order. Now it's your turn to be B. Ready? Mula. Hauslah. Jom minum kat mamak. Saya nak teh ais. Awak? How was it? Is it okay? Okay tak? Baiklah. Dialog kedua. Second dialogue. Dah minum kopi ke? Dah. Masih mengantuk? Itulah, dah 5 cawan saya minum. Banyaknya. Sikit je tu. Biasa sehari saya minum 10 cawan. Ulang dialog kedua. Repeat the second dialogue. Dah minum kopi ke? Dah. Masih mengantuk? Itulah, dah 5 cawan saya minum. Banyaknya. Sikit je tu. Biasa sehari saya minum 10 cawan. Now, let's do a role play. You will be A and I will be B. Ready? Mula. Dah. Itulah, dah 5 cawan saya minum. Sikit je tu. Biasa sehari saya minum 10 cawan. let's change the order. Now it's your turn to be B and I will be A. Ready? Mula. Dah minum kopi ke? Masih mengantuk? Banyaknya. Sangat bagus. Very good. Let's go to the third dialogue. Dialog ketiga. Jangan minum air tu. Kenapa? Ada lipas dalam cawan tu. Ulang dialog ketiga. Repeat the third dialogue. Jangan minum air tu. Kenapa? Ada lipas dalam cawan tu. Now let's practice. You will be A and I will be B. Ready? Mula. Kenapa? Very good. Let's change the order. I will be A and you will be B. Ready? 1, 2, 3, mula. Jangan minum air tu. Ada lipas dalam cawan tu. Before we proceed with the fourth dialogue, just a quick announcement to anyone who is interested to improve their Malay, especially conversational Malay. Do sign up for my personal class. Those who sign up will get a free lifetime access to 100 useful Malay words and phrases video. Go to the link in the description to start improving your Malay with me as soon as possible. You can also click the link above. See you in class. Let's continue to the fourth dialogue. Dialog keempat. Kenapa tak minum ubat batuk ni? Pahit, tak sedap. Kalau tak minum, nanti lambat nak baik. Ulang dialog keempat. Repeat the fourth dialogue. Kenapa tak minum ubat batuk ni? Pahit, tak sedap. Kalau tak minum, nanti lambat nak baik. Now, let's practice. You will be A and I will be B. Ready? Mula. Pahit, tak sedap. Very good. Let's change the order. I will be A and you will be B. Ready? Mula. Kenapa tak minum ubat batuk ni? Kalau tak minum, nanti lambat nak baik. Wow, very good. Now we are going to the fifth dialogue. Dialog kelima. Kenapa dengan dia tu? Dia minum dengan bos malam tadi. Patutlah, macam orang mabuk je. Ulang dialog kelima. Repeat the fifth dialogue. Kenapa dengan dia tu? Dia minum dengan bos malam tadi. Patutlah, macam orang mabuk je. Now, let's practice. You will be A and I will be B. Ready? Mula. Dia minum dengan bos malam tadi. Let's change the order. I will be A and you will be B. Ready? Mula. Kenapa dengan dia tu? Patutlah macam orang mabuk je. We are going to the last dialogue. Dialog ke-6. The sixth dialogue. Sehari, kita kena minum paling kurang 8 gelas air. Tak mungkinlah, banyak sangat tu. Kan, nanti asyik kena pergi tandas je. Baik minum bila rasa haus je. Kan? Ulang dialog ke-6. Repeat the sixth dialogue. Sehari, kita kena minum paling kurang 8 gelas air. Tak mungkinlah, banyak sangat tu. Kan? Nanti asyik kena pergi tandas je. Baik minum bila rasa haus je. Kan? Now, let's practice the dialogue. You will be A and I will be B. Ready? Mula. Tak mungkinlah, banyak sangat tu. Baik minum bila rasa haus je. Let's change the order. I will be A and you will be B. Ready? Mula. Sehari, kita kena minum paling kurang 8 gelas air. Kan nanti asyik kena pergi tandas je. Kan? Wow, we have practiced 6 samples of conversational Malay dialogue related to the verb minum. I hope you like this exercise. Write me some comments so I know what to improve and what you want to know more about Malay language. This ends our lesson for today. I hope everyone find it beneficial. Terima kasih and until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.